This is a 2023 BMW X4. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil service required. So let's get into it now. Without pressing the brake pedal, you're going to locate the start stop button in the center. Press it 3 times simultaneously, 1, 2, 3. Then your instrument cluster should look like that. Now you're seeing service due. So once you see the diagnostic mode active, look to the left of the steering wheel. You're going to see the BC button. Press the BC button and hold it until you see engine oil information on the dashboard. There you go, engine oil. So release the BC button and press it again. Press and hold it. Release the BC button. Press and hold it again until it's the reset in progress. Alright, so release the BC button once reset in progress is taking place. So you can press the BC button to scroll across to see if anything else needs attention. So everything else is in the green. You can go ahead now and start the vehicle to verify that the engine oil service required is no longer there. You can go ahead and reset the trip with the BC button. Put it to 0. That's it.